In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp in just 5 minutes. ClickUp is a powerful tool for project management, helping you organize your tasks, manage projects, and collaborate with your team all in one place. Let's dive right in. First, begin by heading over to the ClickUp website and logging into your account. If you're not familiar with the system yet, logging in is straightforward, but you'll want to ensure you have all your credentials ready. Logging in will take you to your dashboard, which acts as the command center for all your projects. Next, you'll want to set up your workspace. This step is crucial as it serves as the foundation for everything you do in ClickUp. Imagine it as your digital office space where all your projects, tasks, and team interactions will happen. When setting up your workspace, you'll be able to customize it to align with the way your team works. This includes setting preferences and making adjustments that suit your project management style. Once your workspace is ready, it's time to bring your team on board. If you need to collaborate with others, ClickUp makes it easy to invite teammates. Sending out invitations is as simple as entering your colleagues' email addresses and assigning them to different roles within your projects. By bringing in your team, you ensure that everyone can partake in task management, which improves communication and workflow within your projects. Now, let's organize our projects using spaces, folders, and lists. Spaces are high-level containers that help categorize different teams or types of work. Within a space, you can create folders, which might hold projects. Inside these folders, lists serve as collections of tasks. Think of this as an hierarchical organization. Spaces hold folders, and folders hold lists. Structuring your projects this way allows for comprehensive organization that's both scalable and easy to navigate. With your organizational structure in place, it's time to start adding tasks. Tasks are the building blocks of project management in ClickUp. You can add details to each task, like descriptions, due dates, and attachments. Make sure to assign these tasks to specific team members to ensure accountability and track progress effectively. Lastly, to optimize your task management, explore the various views that ClickUp offers. You can switch between list view, calendar view, board view, and more, depending on what gives you a clearer perspective of your projects. These views allow you to manage your tasks in a way that makes the most sense for you and your team, whether you're focusing on deadlines, task assignments, or project flow. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll have a solid grasp of how to get started with ClickUp, making it easier to stay organized and productive. Thanks for joining me in today's video on using ClickUp. Enjoy managing your projects.